Imagine you have the marks of 100 students. One teacher asks, what's the average mark? Another teacher asks, based on these marks, how might next year's students perform? It's the same dataset, but two completely different stories. The first story is about descriptive statistics. The second one is about inferential statistics. So, what's the difference? Let's find out. Let's begin with descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics is the branch of statistics that collects, organizes, summarizes, analyses, and presents data. It simply tells us what the data looks like. For example, calculating the average marks, finding the highest and lowest scores, or displaying the results in a table, graph, or chart are all examples of descriptive statistics. It doesn't make predictions. It simply describes the data you already have. Think of it as telling the story of the data in front of you. Now, let's move on to inferential statistics. Inferential statistics goes one step further. Instead of only describing the available data, it uses a sample to draw conclusions about a larger population. For example, suppose a company asks 1,000 customers what they think about a new product. Using those responses, the company estimates what millions of customers are likely to think. That's inferential statistics. It helps us make predictions, estimates, and informed decisions, even when studying the entire population isn't practical. Here's the easiest way to remember the difference. Descriptive statistics tells us what the data says. Inferential statistics tells us what the data suggests. One describes, the other infers. Before we wrap up, here's an interesting fact. Every day, weather forecasts predict tomorrow's weather using data collected from only a limited number of weather stations, satellites, and sensors, not from every square meter of the Earth. That's inferential statistics in action. By analyzing a sample of data, meteorologists can make reliable predictions for entire cities, countries, and even regions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Logical Statistics. And remember, every data point has a story. Let's listen. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep thinking logically.